Hi, my name is Ümit, and my last name is Ahmedullayev. I am 19 years old, and my family, there are 6 people. Uh, I want to improve my English. Hello everyone, today I want to talk about Boost Academy and how much I have grown since joining. When I first time come here, my English was extremely unstructured. Even though I knew basic grammar rules, I struggled to apply them in conversation. To be honest, I could barely speak at all. However, thanks to Boost Academy and my teacher, Aishan, I can now express myself fluently without hesitation. I can respond questions instantly, and the best part of this, I started thinking in English. I am truly grateful to Boost Academy for this incredible progress.
Elə indi rəydə istəyirəm yaz ki, öz şəxsi inkişafında öz rolun olsun.